this bird? The Canada goose. They are very loud. The Cree Indians called the geese the hounds of heaven because they sound like hound dogs barking. When they are being chased, a Canada goose can fly at speeds up to 96 kilometers or 60 miles per hour. When eggs are laid, the mother can lay up to 8 creamy white eggs, and when they hatch, the goslings will not know who its mother and father, so they will stay close to the nest so the babies wouldn't recognize them. The geese also live in shallow waters, eat water plants and grass. And pretty much he's cousins with ducks and swans. If they fight, they even will flap their wings to look dangerous and maybe hiss. And then if one of them doesn't back off, they will start fighting.